Have you ever felt stuck when speaking English? You know the words in your head. You start a sentence, but suddenly your tongue freezes. Don't worry, you're not alone. The truth is, learning English grammar is one thing, but training your mouth to actually speak English fluently is a completely different skill. Today, I'll show you how to train your mouth using graded readers, simple storybooks that help you speak more clearly, confidently, and naturally. Stay with me till the end, because what you'll learn today could completely change the way you speak English. If you've been studying English for years but still struggle to talk smoothly, this video is for you. The secret is not just studying English. It's about training your mouth, tongue, and brain to feel comfortable with English sounds. Think of it like learning to ride a bicycle. You didn't learn by reading about balance. You learned by doing it. Speaking English is the same. Reading and writing help. But if your mouth doesn't get daily practice, fluency will stay out of reach. Graded readers are books made for English learners from beginner to advanced levels. The language is simple, the sentences are short, and the stories are fun. They help you learn useful words, natural rhythm, and build confidence. To use them, choose a book that's a little easy for you, about 90% understandable. Read aloud slowly, focus on clear pronunciation, repeat sentences a few times, and after each chapter, retell the story in your own words. Don't worry about mistakes. The goal is to keep talking. To train your mouth daily, start with a 5-minute warm-up. Read aloud and move your lips and tongue clearly. Then try the shadowing technique. Listen to a speaker and speak along at the same time to match rhythm and tone. Pick 5 short phrases like, "How are you today?" or "That sounds great," and repeat them 10 times with different emotions. After reading a chapter, close the book and explain it in your own words. Once a week, record your voice and listen carefully to notice your improvement. Remember, fluency grows with consistency, not speed. Set small goals like finishing 1 book each month. Label things around you in English and don't be afraid of mistakes. Fluency is about confidence, not perfection. Celebrate every little progress and keep mixing listening with speaking. Just 15 minutes a day of mouth training can transform your English in 3 to 6 months. Fluency isn't only about what's in your head. It's about what comes out of your mouth. Graded readers are your secret weapon. By reading aloud, repeating phrases, and retelling stories, you're not just learning. You're training your mouth to think and speak in English. Imagine 6 months from now, you open your mouth and English flows easily with no fear or hesitation, just clear and confident speech. Start today. 1 book, 1 sentence, 1 day at a time, and you'll see how naturally your fluency grows.